Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a blocked Etisalat SIM card in 2026. So before hopping on to the solution, let's just briefly understand why your SIM was blocked at first place. So the most common reasons include the SIM suspension after being reported lost, if your Emirates ID was not updated, long inactivity or security related restrictions. So the most reliable recovery method is visiting an Etisalat store. You just have to carry your original Emirates ID with you. So this is mandatory for the SIM reactivation or replacement. Just visit the nearest Etisalat branch, then inform the customer service staff that your SIM is blocked and you want to recover the number. The identity verification process will begin. In it, the staff is going to verify your Emirates ID details and confirm the ownership of the SIM. So if your SIM was temporarily blocked, they will immediately reactivate it. If the SIM can't be restored, they will basically issue a replacement SIM, or they are going to convert it into the eSIM. So once the new SIM or the eSIM is issued, your number, your balance and the services are typically restored. The important thing that you need to remember here is, if your number has been blocked for a very long time, recovery may not always be possible. So acting quickly improves your chances of keeping the same number. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.